Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you best thumbnail making app for both Android and iOS. If you want to make a professional thumbnail, you can get this app from App Store or Play Store. The name of the app is Canva. So let's get into the video. Keep watching. I'm Ali Mohammed and you're watching Game Before. So this is our app Canva. So let's open it and start creating our thumbnail. So here is our app. First of all, we have to type in the search box there. You have to skip this, it's paid one, and here we have to type thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, and then we'll get many themes for our thumbnail. We can take whichever we like. There are many themes here for everything for YouTube, so let's choose one from here, or you can take a blank one and you can take whichever you like. So we have to get thumbnail. Now what we have to do is you have to click the title there and change it by erasing. Then you can type anything you want, whatever title you have to give on your thumbnail. So our typing is over. Now we can adjust the title. As you can see here, you can delete, duplicate, font size, color. There are many options. We can select the title, then we can change the font. So there are many fonts here, and we can select whichever font we want. So now we can adjust the title to where we want, and what we have to do next is color of the title. So there are many colors, so we can take whichever color we want. So we are taking the white color. Now we have our font size. We can adjust by scrolling this. We can adjust our font size and place where we want. We can also rotate the text in 360. We can then place anywhere. So the next step is that to change the picture. So for that, click on the picture there and then change. Then we have many pictures in our images, so we can select whichever picture we need. So we have chosen one, and now we can adjust the title. So now we can adjust the color or effect whichever we need. So there are many effects, there are filters, so we can try one by one. So we are choosing this one. So next we can click done, and next we have our filter, and we can change it if you want. There are many filters there, you can try one by one. You can also change the intensity, adjust it. So next we have effects, then you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, many options there. So we can adjust it. Now we have adjusted and made our thumbnail more awesome. So next we have crop option. If you want to crop, you can, but no need of that. And next we have animations. If you want to add animation for a title, you can add. So our is finished, our editing is finished. So let's click the icon there, the arrow one. So let's click it, then save as image, click it. Then save. So the thumbnail will be ready on your images, on your gallery. You can check out, and I'll be giving another video on how to add thumbnail onto your video. So until then, take care. Bye bye.